70,000, 40%, 28%, 55%. Of course, we'll take 55. The most serious train station I've ever seen. Yep. Okay. Starting the day with our Lao mojito, as they call it, for $4, which is a bit expensive for this country, but pretty good. This is Indigo Cafe near Night Market in Luang Prabang. We booked a ticket, which was quite difficult, so we had to go to a couple places and get a price. It's like everywhere you go, they say, oh no, like not possible day of, you need to tell us 1 to 2 days in advance. What it seems like is like, whenever you ask for a ticket, they call a number, they text a number, so they have these like ticket dealers, and they always give you a different price. It seems to me like there's a central, you know, the main ticket seller, the supplier, and he has his dealers, and then the closer you are to the dealer, the better price you get for your train ticket.
Infiltrate the dealers, find the supplier.
So it could be anything from 400,000 to 200,000. It's just weird that like, that's why it takes so much time, and that's why you can't go online and buy it. You have to go through the locals who know the guys and they call the numbers. That's crazy. I've never seen that in the country before for train tickets, you know. We also have 2 burgers coming. Thank you. Got done with eating, got a beer, got a smoothie, $1 each. We're about to book our tickets to Vietnam, and it's about $160 per person. But there's also a bus that takes like 24 hours. You sleep on the bus, and it's only $50. So, you know, if you want to think about, I'll lose a day, but the next day I'll spend $100 more, and maybe it's worth it, then you can do that. I didn't know that that was an option, so I got my e-visa for Vietnam, stating that my port of entry would be the Hanoi airport. So I have no choice. I don't know. If I had more time, I think the bus would make sense, because $100 more in Southeast Asia can get you a lot. You can get a massage for $6, get a bunch of smoothies, a bunch of beers, make a great day. Said that you were gonna finish the entire $100 in one day, you can do so much. Up to you guys. I didn't know. If there was a video that I could watch before coming to Southeast Asia and someone told me about this, it would be much appreciated. But there wasn't one, so I'm telling you guys instead. Now, using my slow 2G Wi-Fi, 2 tickets leaving from Vientiane, going to Hanoi, 160. This airline only flies to like 10 different locations. But I do want to say that I really like Laos. I haven't even been to more than 1 city in this country. But I said before, I'm not trying to like downplay this country. It's, I think, a pretty country, nice country. There's a lot to do here. But I'm just saying, if you have the money, do come here to see this country as well, with its unique city planning and like lifestyle. A more genuine, close to heart place with nice people. You know, no one has ever treated us badly here. They haven't ripped us off. The people themselves haven't ripped us off. Immigration is, you know, a bit of a hassle, but that's fine. And you have to bargain for prices, but people are nice. First 10 minutes we landed, we became friends with some taxi drivers, and we bought them beers, we drank together, and they gave us some food. It's, you know, it's a nice place, but I'm just saying, it's gonna cost you some money. Everyone is a different type of traveler. If you're trying to keep your trip cheap, then it's probably gonna cost you 1 visa, 2, at least $100. If you take the slow boat from Thailand, if you fly, also at least $100, and you have to fly out, so that's some money as well. That's what I'm saying. I'm not saying Laos is not a good country. I mean, I like every country that I go to, and definitely Laos is a nice vibe that you should check out if you have the money and the time. So overall, good country. I like it. We found some Lao vodka, and this is 70,000, 40%, 28%, 55%, and they're all the same price. How can that be? Of course, we'll take 55. And this is 500 milliliters. Do you have like big Coke?
Big Pepsi.
Pepsi, okay.
Big Pepsi?
Yeah. No, but this is do you have 0 sugar? No sugar? And how much is soju?
Soju, 35,000 K.
35.
Yes.
Have the inhaler there too. This is 100. John, bro, do you have the 1,000?
Okay, no problem.
Oh, okay, thank you. See, such nice people in Laos.
Bye.
Bye. Coconut time. 20,000, $1. Coconut milk. Maybe I'll put some of my Lao vodka in this. Thank you. 20,000. Thank you. Ooh, yuck. It's warm, but I made him put some ice in it through this tiny hole. Now it's better. Because, you know, this is supposed to be refreshing. If you sell coconut, you're supposed to sell it cold. Extra 50 cents for ice. Okay, now, question is, do I want to put my Lao vodka in my coconut water? The answer is yes, because we are in Lao. And the big reward is once you finish this, you throw it on the ground, break open the coconut, and eat the coconut itself. Get a lot of pleasure for $1. I got some hair ties, and I made this vlog camera strap, let's say. 55% Lao vodka. 3 times distilled. It's a man with a bamboo carrying this in a clay pot. I guess that's how they make this vodka. 18 plus. Don't be pregnant and drink. Don't be a car and drink. All right. So I'm so sweaty I can't even open this. All right. That should be enough. Mix it up with my plastic straw. I'm the worst person for the planet. Pretty good. You can barely taste it actually. I think the coconut and the vodka flavor, you know, blends well. Yeah, if I lived in Laos, this is my perfect life in Laos. How much money do you need to spend? Oh, wake up. $10 accommodation. You get your bottle of vodka for $5. $1 coconut, 16. Go outside for a walk. Nice, nice. You know, we go walk the entire city. There's a river. You walk by the city. Okay, you know, it's like 12 noon maybe. You get a little hungry. Splurge on some food. Get some nice food, $2. And now you want to relax a bit. You get a massage for $6. Up to 24 now. And then okay, so it's like 1 or 2 p.m. Well, you need to work a little. I guess you like, you know, you do a little bit of your online job for 4 hours. Now it's like the sun is going down, so maybe you go get yourself another coconut water. You go up to like a mountain, watch the sunset, then you go back home. This is the perfect life in Laos, maybe. More food. We need some more food. Okay, $30, roughly $30. You get a couple massages, couple coconuts, couple meals, and you do this every day. Would you be happy? I don't know. If you live in San Francisco, you spend $50 just to sleep, just for your apartment in a rundown, pretty old building. But I mean, I don't know. I don't think you can do it every day. Coconut pleasure, beautiful Laotian river. See these guys there? They're tearing down a house. And we're thinking that we can help them. Okay, well. Yep, our gift for the workers. Not on that. Yeah, what do you mean? You're loud? Oh, okay, okay, okay. Can you help? Here? Can I try? Drinking, enjoying your Lao with our friend. Nyok. 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 Whoa. Oh, shit. My bag broke. Essential bag. We lost it. It was $5 and it lasted 10 days. 50 cents per day to carry your shit easier. Is it worth it? Maybe. I gotta buy a new one now. Wow. Another communist flag. Very fitting for us today since we helped our working class friends, shared our beer with them. They shared their work with us. Following our guy who's gonna take us to the train station. It's the minivan. There you go, glorious train station. Now we have an hour to waste here. And then everywhere in Laos, you see these like guys in green suits. The ones behind me, they're like not military, but like just security. I don't know what's up. Can't ask because no one speaks English. No English. Nice blue sky. Real name ticketing verification. It's the most serious train station I've ever seen. Is there food? Okay. No food inside. No food outside. I don't know. Maybe we can walk and ask. Gotta sort this out. We're gonna try some dumplings. 15,000, less than $1 for each, 80 cents. And you have a soy sauce or something? No, we don't. No? Okay. A meatball inside. He said it's like pork and vegetable. This is our view as we eat our dumplings in beautiful Laos. Lots of mountains and jungles. I think that's the vibe in Southeast Asia. And then look at this ramp. It's like, we want disabled people to be able to use this great train station, but no, fuck you, don't come. I'm sorry. Like, why? Whose idea was this? John is enjoying his dumplings now. So they're calling us to check into our train now. See all those people lined up. About 20 minutes before we depart, they're asking us to check in, and I've never checked into a train before. You know, we just walk in like a minute before it leaves. But like I said, it's a pretty serious place. That's usually how like communist countries are. There are a bunch of rules, and like we have to go through pretty serious security just to get on a train. In Europe, you just walk on the train. Literally, you just get in. Another thing I'm realizing is like there's a lot of Chinese influence here, but also a lot of like they really like America as well. Like they really like dollars, but you see like the letters here. Second language is always Chinese, and there are a lot of Chinese tourists here as well, which is interesting. It's also interesting like why they like America, given the fact that they dropped a bunch of bombs 50 years ago. Gotta ask. Number 5? Where does it say that? I've never prepared for a train this much in my life. Oh, look at those nice mountains. Very pretty. We go like tunnel to tunnel to tunnel. For sale. How much? 1, 2 get a child tickets. You have to be below this. They check you at the door. No smoking. Boiling water for probably your ramen or something. And bathroom for the sleeping cabins is nicer. Oh. Yeah. Top. Lowest guys on the street. We're just getting into it. Most of these bombs were dropped in the border between Vietnam and Laos.
Imagine this is the last day of your life.